Welcome back to our series on Learjet systems and maintenance. In this video, we're looking at a part of the aircraft that most people take for granted, but which is a critical piece of its structure and safety: the aircraft windows. Aircraft windows on a Learjet are far more complex than just a pane of glass. They are sophisticated, multi-layered structures, usually made of stretched acrylic or similar composite materials. A typical aircraft window has an outer pane, an inner pane, and sometimes a soft, flexible vinyl layer in between. This layered construction is a key safety feature. The outer layer is designed to handle flight loads and impact, while the inner layer serves as a fail-safe in case the outer layer is damaged. The air gap or vinyl layer between them also provides insulation from both temperature and noise. Aircraft windows are an integral part of the pressurized fuselage. As the Learjet climbs to cruising altitude, air is pumped into the cabin to maintain a comfortable, breathable atmosphere. This creates a significant pressure difference between the inside and outside of the aircraft. The windows are engineered to withstand these immense loads and maintain a tight seal, keeping the cabin pressure contained. The multi-layered design also helps regulate the cabin environment. They provide thermal insulation, preventing the extreme cold of high altitude from entering the cabin, and acoustic insulation, dampening the loud noise from the engines and airflow. So why are these windows so critical? Their importance goes beyond just providing a view. First, they are a load-bearing part of the fuselage structure. They are riveted or bonded into the airframe and must handle the stresses of flight just like any other structural component. Second, they are a primary seal for the pressurized cabin. A failure here could lead to a rapid depressurization, which is an immediate safety threat. The multi-layered design provides redundancy and prevents a single crack or chip from causing a catastrophic event. Finally, for the pilots, a clear, undamaged windshield and windows are essential for visibility during all phases of flight, from takeoff to landing. Now, let's cover the basic maintenance checks for aircraft windows, which are part of a routine walk-around inspection. The most important check is a thorough visual inspection. You are looking for any signs of damage. This includes hairline cracks, which can indicate stress, as well as chips or pitting from foreign object impacts. Also, check for delamination, which appears as a hazy, milky area between the layers. This can happen over time and compromises the window's structural integrity. Next, inspect the window seals and frames. Check for any signs of dryness, cracking, or deterioration that could compromise the pressurization seal. Finally, when cleaning, always use an aircraft-approved cleaner and a soft cloth, wiping in straight lines. Using unapproved chemicals or rags can cause micro-scratches and hazing over time. Any signs of a crack, delamination, or a faulty seal must be reported immediately to a certified mechanic. Ignoring a seemingly minor issue with a window can have serious consequences. That concludes our video on the structural importance of aircraft windows. They are a perfect example of how even a seemingly simple component is a vital part of the aircraft's safety and structural integrity. Don't forget to scan the QR code for more detailed information. See you next time.